All right, so we have two problems from yesterday. Number one, you had a square of a difference, so we're going to write that problem not just once, but twice. And then FOIL. So I have 3a times 3a, which is 9a squared. 3a times negative 4, which is negative 12a. Negative 4 times 3a is another negative 12a. Now hopefully you noticed as you were doing these problems over and over is the middle term always ends up being the same. And that makes sense because if you look at the pattern from the notes yesterday that we kind of ignored, it said 2 times in the middle because we have 2 of them. We have 2 of the same ones. And then last, negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Put these middle terms together and you have 9a squared minus 24a plus 16. Number 2, we need to multiply 3m plus 4 to everything in that second polynomial. I'm going to show you the distributing way again. If you do the chart, just know that these terms should be in your chart. So first, 3m times m squared is 3m cubed. 3m times negative 3m is negative 9m squared. And 3m times 5 is 15m. Switching to the second term, the 4. 4 times m squared is a positive 4m squared. 4 times negative 3m is negative 12m. And 4 times 5 is a positive 20. 3m cubed does not have any like terms, so it comes down. Negative 9m squared and a 4m squared come next, so that's negative 5m squared. I've got a positive 15m and a negative 12m, so that combines to be 3m. And then last but not least, we've got that 20 at the end. So that should have been your answer for number 2. Here's your homework from last night. You can see 3 through 10. So go ahead, check through these. Check with a neighbor if you need any explanations on any of them. Again, you could have ignored the boxes. You never have to use them. When you're ready to check the rest, go ahead and unpause the video. Scrolling it up to check the rest of your answers, which is just number 11. Today we're going to work on reviewing this just in case there was any things that needed to be tweaked. We're going to take care of that. Your classwork today is on page 515. Make sure you're checking your answers in class for the next few days. There won't be any more videos in class with the answers because there's answer keys for each day. Today you're going to review 14.4. Tomorrow you'll be reviewing the 4 lessons in Module 14, and again that answer key will be in class. Wednesday will be the official review for your Module 14 test, and there will be a review video that you can watch Wednesday night for that review in class on Wednesday. And then your test is on Thursday. I will be back next week on Tuesday because remember, no school next Monday. So make sure you do well on the Chapter 14 test because we're going to be going right into new knowledge next week with me, actually in class.